All right, today we're looking at the electric bike, the HeyBike Mars. This is a 500 watt, boasts a 48-hour run time, 20 mile per hour top speed. Just gonna run through some of the features here and then we'll take it for a test drive. First of all, it's got a 20-inch by 4-inch fat tire, front and rear. It does have a headlight and a brake light on the back. This is a folding bike. Speed Shimano shifter, has a LCD display screen, so you can cycle through your speeds. This is pedal assist, so it will kick in when you start to pedal, but it also has just a throttle mode where you can get going and use the throttle right here in the handlebar.